I've had a few requests on how to create an AI avatar. What is an AI avatar? Basically, it's you, but it's a composite of loads of photos of you, which are trained by the AI software. And then you write a prompt, and then you paste the prompt in the software, and then the software will create an image of you doing whatever you want. Now, in this instance, the example I'm going to use is something like a professional headshot for LinkedIn. So most of us work from home and we're just harassed, looking after the house, and we really don't have time to like blow dry our hair, put on some makeup, go and stand in front of a suitable blank wall, and there's probably nobody around to actually take a photograph, and a selfie just wouldn't do in a professional situation. So this is really quick and time saving. So the steps I'm going to show you are: one, use ChatGPT to write a prompt, so that you can have the perfect prompt for your image, whatever you want to do. The second thing, which you will only ever have to do once, is I'm going to show you how to train the AI to make an avatar of you. It's just basically uploading a load of images of yourself, and then the AI software, which is Krea, which I will link below, will just train the avatar. And then finally, which is the fun bit, which you can do endlessly, is you put your prompt into it's a part of Krea called Flux, which is an image generator, and it will produce endless images of you. Okay, we are going to write a prompt for a business professional lady. And to make life easier, we're actually going to use ChatGPT. So I'm going to upload an image. Here's one I prepared earlier in the best Blue Peter style. Now, this is a female executive, and she's in a professional sort of outfit. So all we're going to do is just ask ChatGPT to describe her. So that's all we write. We always use please with the AI because we never know when they're coming for us. Only joking. Please describe the lady in this photograph. So here we go. It's thinking. So it's even saying, would you like help turning this into a LinkedIn bio or a professional profile summary? So we're obviously on the right track. No, thank you very much. We don't need any help. But what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this into a Google Doc. Then we can fiddle around with it a little bit. So here I'm just pasting it into a Google Doc. I've named it AI Avatar Description. And then we're going to modify it if we want to. So she has long. So you have to just think objectively about yourself. So if you're blonde, then change the hair color. Smiling confidently, giving off a warm, approachable manner, that's fine. If you want to change her outfit, I'm going to do it for me. So I think I'm going to put myself in a navy blazer over a white button down shirt. Um, I don't want to be wearing nail varnish, so I'm just going to put in a neutral colour. She's wearing a watch. Yeah, that's fine. The background is a plain, solid, dark grey. So, okay, if they recommend a grey background, then we can leave it at that. I might actually go for white. There's a plain white. Then we've covered all of the possibilities. We're going to do something which is called training the AI. Now, this is in a software which is called Krea. As you can see, these are actually AI images of me, and these are actual images of me, which I've just uploaded from my social media. And on the left are some images of my son, which I will be blurring out. A bit further down, I have some images which I've created from social media, uh, these are images which I've uploaded from social media and then created. These are trained AI images of Melania Trump. These are real images of Grace Kelly. These are AI images of Grace Kelly after I've trained the AI. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. Okay, I'm going to show you how to train the AI. It's very simple. All you need to do is gather about 15 images of the person you want to train the AI with. So here, I'm actually going to train the AI with Greta Garbo because I'm going to be making some deepfake videos of her for my other sort of retro vintage movie star channel. So these are publicly available images. You want as many as possible. I've just typed in Greta Garbo into Google, okay? Right, this is quite a famous looking image of her. Don't save two images side by side, two individual ones. So we'll just scroll down and you can see the single one of that. And then just right click, save image. Okay, I'm going to show you how to train. Oh, sorry, it's Marlene Dietrich. So that's wrong already. Shall we do easy mistake to make? They look really similar. Okay, Greta Garbo. Sorry, Marlena and Greta. Try again. I like to organise them neatly. Now, behind the scenes, I am going to download and save about 15 images of Greta Garbo, not Marlena Dietrich, and then okay, I'm back in Krea, and we are now going to train an AI avatar of Greta Garbo. So we click on the train image style button, and we're going to upload a load of Greta Garbo images. Okay, I've got 6 images of Greta Garbo saved here. Now, I don't know whether you can see these, but I'm going to select them and upload them into the AI. So here it is, it's uploading. Now, there's several things wrong with this. The number of images is low. I usually like to have about 15, and the resolution is poor. These are quite old images, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to just show you how you do it. So we just literally clicked and uploaded these images into Krea. Now I'm just going to train the image, and as you can see, it's pending. So this could take a few minutes, so I will get back to you once it's trained. We're back in Krea, and we now have some. These are the real images of Greta Garbo, which we uploaded from the folder, and the AI images. Oh my goodness. In one, she actually looks a bit like a man. I didn't pay attention to see. Maybe she was playing a man, but normally the AI is better than that. Okay, so this is the AI's interpretation of Greta Garbo. The AI images. Oh my goodness. In one, she actually looks a bit like a man. I didn't pay attention to see. Maybe she was playing a man, but normally the AI is these images. These are the real Greta Garbo, which we trained her. I have some good news. We are almost at the end. Training the AI, especially if it's just your image, is something you only ever have to do once, unless you change your image drastically, like change your hair color, or it's been 5 years and you look completely different. You can just keep that trained AI avatar forever, and then you can make him or her into any variety of images. So we're now going to get to the most fun bit, which is using your trained AI avatar to make whatever you want, and in this instance, professional photos. But we're actually going to use some images of me to finally create the professional headshot. So these are all AI. Whoops, let's move that to one side. These are all AI images of me. As you can see, my hair is a bit different in different photographs. So, do you remember that image we described with ChatGPT all the way back here? Okay. We are going to train myself on there in very casual clothes and different hair. And this bit is super fast. So we're going to click the button, use with Flux. Now, Flux is an image generator, and we just simply go back to the Google Doc where we saved the information which ChatGPT gave us. There you go. Literally copy and paste. Go back to... Okay, so one thing you can do, you can decide on what... so resolution, so what shape, what size of the image. Now, 1:1 is something like Instagram, so it's a nice square for Instagram reels. 9:16 is mobile phones, so this is quite helpful if you're going to do a reel. 16:9 is YouTube. I think 2:3 is a fairly nice standard vertical image, because if you think about the image we had before, she was, kind of waist up looking professional. So we want to leave enough space. Okay, so we're going to create an image which is 2:3 resolution. We're just going to paste the prompt, and then we're going to hit the magic button. This is real time. And there I am. My perfect LinkedIn portrait in no time whatsoever. And then, oh, I've got a Fitbit on. And just to change it up so that you can see, So here I've got long, straight, dark brown hair. So I'm going to change it to bobbed, wavy, dark brown hair. We won't worry about it being worn over my shoulder. And what am I dressed in? Let's change the colour of my jacket. I'm wearing a light grey blazer. It's got to be formal. And I'm going to say a black polo neck jumper. Let's say I'm going for a job at an advertising agency, so I can be a bit creative and go a bit more creative. So I'm just going to press the magic button. This is real time. Okay. I look like a head teacher, but that's fine. This one's sort of okay. Yeah, here I look like I work for the Halifax Bank. This one isn't too bad. Okay. Well, here we have some AI hands. I have 3 fingers, but the face is good. So, do you know what? You can reiterate this as many times as you like. I'm going to go for a dark grey. I'm going to say sharply tailored blazer over I'm going to go back with the white shirt. White blouse. Let's see how the AI interprets that. And honestly, her arms are crossed. Wait, okay, that's fine. You can fiddle with this as many times as you like. I've got bobbed hair again. Yeah, so I can change the background. The background is blurred, but outside, hinting at greenery. And there I am in a garden. Ooh, this one is nice. I like this this top left. Oh, the left-hand side one. Okay,